everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add collaborators to your repository. Now, from your project or from your GitHub account, you're going to make sure that you're already have your repository project opened. And then from here, you're going to tap on the settings right here at the top of the screen, basically the settings tab. And then from there, you're going to look for the access section right here at the left side panel. You're going to click on collaborators from here. Now, if prompted, you're going to have to resign in to gain access to your repository. And then from there, you are going to just click on collaborators, and then from there you're going to click on add people. Now you're going to search by username, by full name, or by email. So I'm just going to type in an email right here, sample.video81@gmail.com. So this is just basically a sample, so we can just invite this person, and then you're going to click on add sample.video81@gmail.com to your repository. And as you can see here, there is a pending invite. So what this person has to do is to just go into their email, accept the invitation, and then they will be added immediately to your repository or your project. And that's it. That is how you can add collaborators to your project and GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.